Sai Ram class, how are you all? I hope that you all are very fine. So class, as we're in our chapter number 9, which is halves and quarters. Now we will start further questions related to this chapter. Now in this exercise, what you have to do, you have to find the half and quarter of a meter. Now using your meter scale, cut a string of 1 meter. See what you have to do, you have to take a thread like she is doing, and then she take a meter scale and mark 1 meter in this thread and then cut where 1 meter exactly marked. Okay, see, it is activity based question, you can do it in your home. Now the question is, on this string, like this thread, on this thread or string, you have to mark half meter, then 1/4 meter, and then 3/4 meter. See, for example, it is your string of 1 meter. So here in exact half position, you will have half of meter, and somewhere here you will have 1/4 meter. Okay, and somewhere here, see, it is your 1/4. Okay, and it is your half, and it is also your half. Now for 3/4, if you mark here 3/4, that means this portion is your 3/4, not this one. Okay, this is your 1/4 portion. Now after this, they are asking, using your string, draw a line of length half meter on the floor. See, now you have this string of 1 meter. Now you have to place this string in floor, and where you had marked half of meter, using this string marked here from starting point to half in your floor, and you will get a half meter of mark in your floor. Okay. Now the main question for this activity is, how many centimeter long is the line? Means they are asking you how many centimeter are there in half of meter. Okay, so the main question is, how many centimeter in half of meter? So we all know that we have 100 centimeter in 1 meter, 100 centimeter in 1 meter. Okay, in 1 meter we have 100 centimeters. So we have to answer how much in half a meter. Okay, you can see here, if we have 100 centimeter in 1 meter, so in half a meter, see, to make this 1 meter half, we have to divide it with 2. So in the same way, we have to divide in here also. So when we solve it, we will have 50 centimeter. That means in half a meter, we have 50 centimeter. So the answer is, half of 100 centimeter is 50 centimeter. Now let's move on to the next activity. So similarly, we have to answer, half of meter means 50 centimeter, right? It is 50. Now 1/4 meter. So for 1/4 meter, look here. In 1 meter, we have 100 centimeter. So to make it 1/4, we have to divide it with 4. Similarly, we have to divide 100 with 4. And when we solve it, we will have 25. So that means in 1/4 meter, we have 25 centimeter. Okay, you can see here. Similarly, for 3/4 meter, look here. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Okay, to make it 3/4, we have to multiply it with 3 and divide it with 4. Similarly, we will do here. Multiply it with 3 and divide it with 4. Okay, so after solving it, we all know that when we divide 100 with 4, we will have 25, and then we have 3 in multiplication. And when we multiply 3 with 25, we will have answer 75 centimeter. So our answer will be 3 by 4th of meter equals to 75 centimeter. Now can you see that when we add half and 1 by 4 we get 3 by 4? Yes. In that exercise of cake, do you remember in our first video we had a exercise of cake in which we have a cake, and we all know that when we divide it in 4 equal parts we have 1 by 4 part, 1 by 4th, 1 by 4th, and here also 1 by 4th. And when half of part, that means half of part is added with the 1 by 4th of part, so it will become 3. You can see here 1, 2, 3. 3 by 4th. So yes, we can say that when we add 1 by 2 with 1 by 4th, we will have 3 by 4th. Okay. Now let's move on to the next exercise. We have this bottle is full of milk. You can see here. This bottle is full of milk and it holds 1 liter of milk. The milk is put into 4 other bottles so that each bottle has 1 by 4th liter of milk. Okay. Now we pour the milk from this bottle into these 4 bottles in equal amount. Okay. We all know that, for example, this is 1 liter of milk. Okay. Now we have to divide it into 4 equal parts. So it will divide like 1 by 4th, 1 by 4th, 1 by 4th, and 1 by 4th. Yes. Similarly, 1 by 4th of a liter will pour in all the 4 bottles. So, if it is its half mark, okay, if it is its half mark, then we all know that half of half is 1 by 4th. Now we have to shade the 1 by 4th level for all the given bottles. Okay, so this is the way you have to do it. You can see here in this picture. Now we all know that 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. So we have to answer how many milliliter of milk does each bottle will have. So look here. 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. And we have to answer how much milliliter in 1 by 4th of liter. That means we have to divide 1000 also with 4. And when we divide 1000 with 4, we will have answer 250 milliliter. Okay. So that means our answer is 250 milliliter. Now the next question is, Shan poured 1 liter of milk into 2 bottles so that first bottle holds 3 by 4th. 3 by 4th means half and 1 by 4th. So you can see here how the way we poured 3 by 4th in the first bottle, half and then half of half. Okay. And the other bottle will hold only 1 by 4th. Now we all know that 1 by 4th of a liter means 250 ml. Now out of 1000 ml, when we subtract 250 ml, we will have 750 ml as 3 by 4th of liter. Now in first question we have to shade both the bottles, and in the next question we have to answer how much milliliter of milk does each bottle will hold. So in the first bottle we will have 750 ml of milk, and in the next we will have 250 ml of milk. Okay. Now in the next question, balance the weight. We have given lots of balance here. You can see here. Now we have to choose, we have to choose these weights above to the pan equal, to make the pan equal. Now you can see here, we all know that 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. So we have to make 2 kg in this pan also by using only these given weights. So how we will do it? You can see here. In the first way, we have to use various ways, okay? In the first way, what we can do, we can use 1 kg, then 500 gram, and then 500 gram. Then it will become the 2 kg. This is the first way. In the second way, what we can do, we can use 200 gram, and then we can use 100 gram. It will become 500, and then 250 and 250. So it will become 500, and then we have to add 1 kg also here. So it will become 2 kg of weight. Now we have two more method in which what we will do, we will use 500, it will become 1 kg, then 250, it will become 500, then 250, 550, it will become 500. So total we will have 2 kg of weight. Okay class. Similarly, we have to answer for 3/4 kg of weight. See, 3/4 kg of weight means 750 gram. Okay, 3/4 kg means 750 gram. You can look here, 1000 gram, and we have to make it 3/4. 3/4 means we have to multiply it with 3 and divide it with 4. When we divide 1000 with 4, we will have 250 gram and multiplying with 3. So it will become 750 gram. So that means 3/4 of 1 kg means 750 gram. So we have to make, how we can make 750 gram? By adding 50 gram and 250 gram. By adding 500 and 250 gram. And 500, 250 gram. And then 200, 200, 100 and 250 gram. We can make various ways to weight the given way. Okay. Now this is all your book activity questions, and the last one is we have to answer why the given shades are wrong. Okay, so the answer is, for the first one, because all the 4 parts are not equal, that is why we cannot say that it is 1/4 of the given figure. On the other hand, the shaded portion is not exact half of the given triangle, so that is why it is not half of the given triangle. Okay. Now these are your book questions. Now let's move on to the practice time, and these questions are for your notebook work. So the first question is, there are 60 mangoes, half of them are ripe. So we have to answer how many mangoes are ripe. So see how we have to do it. We all know that total mangoes are 60, half of them are ripe. So half of 60 is, we all know that to find out the half of 6, we have to divide 60. Half of 60, we have to divide 60 with 2. And when we do so, we will have answer 300 mangoes. So that means the answer is 300 mangoes are ripe. Next is, there are 32 children and half of them are girls. So we have to answer how many children are boys. So we all know that out of 32, if half are girls, that means another half are boys. So let's see how we can do it. Total children are 32. Okay. And half of 32 are girls. That means half of 32, that is 16 are girls. There means another half are boys. So the 16 are boys. Okay. Very easy question, just simple multiplication and division. Third is, there are 20 stars, a quarter of them are red. Quarter means 1/4. Okay, 1/4. Quarter of them are red. So we have to answer how many stars are red and how many are not red also. So the solution is, total stars are 20 and quarter of 20 are red. Quarter of 20 means 1/4 of 20 are red. So that means we have to divide 20 with 4. that means 5 are red. If out of 20, 5 are red, that means the remaining, that is 15, are not red. Okay. Fourth question is, Ravi wants a pencil. It costs rupees 2. He gave 1 rupee coin, a 1 rupee coin, 1 half rupee coin, okay, and 1 quarter rupee coin. And we have to answer these are enough to buy that pencil or not. So let's see. He gave 1 rupee coin. That means we have to multiply 1 with 1 rupee coin. That means 1 rupees. 1 half rupee coin. We all know that half rupee means 0.50 rupees, 0.50. Okay. And 1 quarter rupee coin. And quarter contains 0.25 rupees. That means 25 paisa. Now to add all this, when we add them, we will get a sum of rupees 1 rupee and 75 paisa. So as the pencil cost rupees 2, so Ravi did not have enough money to buy that pencil. And how much he wants more to buy this? So we all can see here, to complete 1 rupee 75 paisa in 2 rupees, he should have 1 more quarter rupee coin. Means he should have more 25 paisa to make it equal to 2 rupees. Okay. I hope this kind of questions are clear to you all. In today's exercise, what we had learned, that how we can find the half, quarter and 3/4 part of any given measure, whether it is 1 meter, whether it is liter, or whether it is kg. Okay, so keep in mind that half of a meter means 50 centimeter. Okay, 1/4 of a meter means 25 centimeter, and 3/4 of a meter is 75 centimeter. And we also learned that how we can find out it. Similarly, the 1/4 of a liter is 250 milliliter, and 3/4 of a liter is 750 milliliter. Similarly, in case of kg also, 3/4 of a kg means 750 gram, and half of a kg means 500 gram. Okay, and then we have a little exercise based on how we can find half, quarter of given things. Okay, so class, to understand all these things and questions, you have to practice them in your home again and again. Till then, thank you and be safe.